Hello! In this video I will show you how you can pick up a ringing call of another user from collaboration. Imagine that your colleague is receiving a call, you can hear it, but you can also see that he or she went out for a moment and cannot answer. You can answer a call for this person without even leaving your desk, and I will show you how. So right now my colleague is receiving an incoming call. If it's not restricted by ACLs, I can also see who is calling my colleague. Here it is. And I can answer the ringing call for this user. To do it, I need to press these three dots and then select Pick Up. So here it is. I have answered the call for my colleague. Now, one thing I want to tell you is that if you often have to answer calls for someone, just add them in this menu Settings function keys as a BLF key, colleague. So you can see I have added two persons here, two people, and then they will appear in this function keys menu here. And it will be much easier for me to find them and to answer the call for them. And one more thing I want to tell you. If you're actually not sitting in the same office, but you still need to answer calls for someone, so you will not hear when this person is receiving a call, just go here and enable this option, View Calls, for this person, and maybe also the audio notification option. So let's see what has changed. Okay, right now when my colleague is receiving an incoming call, I can pick up from this pop-up, which is much easier for me. And the audio notification option, it just enables a simple beep once your colleague will be receiving a call. Thanks for watching and see you next time.